Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a flash drive on your iPhone to transfer files, photos, videos, and such between your flash drive and iPhone. So let's get started. Obviously, with a flash drive, it's a USB, which you can't stick into your phone. So what you need is an adapter for it. There are these adapters known as OTG that you can get that will basically convert your USB-A to a USB-C for the newer iPhones with the USB-C type. So you can get these on Amazon's, which are pretty easy to get. I'll leave a link as well. And here, as you can see here, you can take this flash drive and then just match it up and then just input it right in. So it just fits right in perfectly. It's an adapter, so we'll put it in first there. And after you put it in there, nice and easy, and then you're just going to connect it like you would if you're charging the phone to the USB-C to the charge port. You're going to make sure the connection is stable like this, and once you have it connected, now we can actually access that. So in order to do that, all you're going to do is go to over the Files app on your iPhone, which is a default app. From there on, you're going to go ahead and browse in the browse section on all of the locations. As you can see, a couple locations here, and you're going to look for the name of the flash drive. Here mine just says USB drive. It might be renamed something else, but look for your external storage in this location. So I'm going to tap on it, and I can access basically files, documents, and anything I've stored on that flash drive right on here. And then what I can do is I can take things from my Files app here that's on my iPhone and move it over. So if I want to move something over, I can just grab it from here and then move it over. For example, if I go ahead and select, once I select it, I can just copy, right? And then I can go back into my USB drive, and I can go ahead and paste it here. So let's go ahead and tap or press and hold and then paste, and I can see that I can paste that folder or the file over. Same exact thing. You can copy multiple things. For example, if you had like multiple stuff that you want to copy, you can go ahead and copy it, and then once you copy it, right, you can go back to your USB and then tap on long press and hold, paste, and you can keep or replace, and you can keep on doing that. You can do the same thing where you can copy something from here, right? You can go ahead and select something from here and then tap on it to copy, and then you can go back here to my phone, and then I can just press and hold and paste it in there so you can move things around. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.